This is how to connect a workstation activity sensor to a smart gate. We highly recommend using our volt sensors, available in two options, the AC/DC volt sensor and the AC volt sensor. The AC volt sensor supports an input voltage range of 120 to 690 volts AC. The AC/DC volt sensor accommodates an input voltage range of 24 to 230 volts AC or DC. In both cases, the sensor's output connects directly to the gate's input terminal, labeled signal. It's important to note that this connection is polarity independent, ensuring easy and flexible installation. For optimal performance, we recommend using our sensor cable, which is insulated for up to 600 volts. This makes it ideal for installation inside workstation electrical panels, where typical voltages range between 230 and 460 volts. Our sensors are equipped with light indicators for easy monitoring. When the input is active and voltage is present, the in indicator will illuminate. Additionally, if the sensor is properly connected to the gate, the out indicator will also light up. When both indicators are on, you can be confident that the sensor is functioning correctly. In this case, we know the sensor is working correctly